Alright, how about this? If you guys see a girl staring at you, you kind of think she thinks she's pretty. And you want to say something to her, but you're not going to yet because you're still in a conversation or something. Say she's looking at you. Just go, you have to act mestiza, shy. Girls love shyness at first. Most. But eventually you're going to have to go up and talk to her. You'll always have to keep a girl in question until she agrees to see you a second time.
Ngayon, tuturuan tayo ni Tanner ng mga kailangan lalaki. Kilig daw. Kilig tayo. Go.
Kinakabahan na to agad.
Hindi mo lang. Boy, kailangan natin to, boy.
Alright, stand up. Everyone.
Sana lahat. Para saan?
Alright. You guys stand up. Shouldn't be slouching like this. Shouldn't have your shoulders in front of you. Shoulders relaxed,
Chicken.
back. Your back straight. And then when you don't have your head like this, straight. So when you want to look at someone, you want to look at them directly. When you like this, kind of puts off an off aura, usually. At least that's what they told me in modeling.
Practice ha. One. Ready. From me to ganun. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi bro, how you doing?
What's up?
What's up, bro? War break.
What's up? There you go.
Hi. Ako nga pala si Makoy. Makoy dala yun. Kaling Tondo.
Hi girls, ako nga pala si Nonong Balinan. 29 years old, pa-blatter nyo.
Chuck back. Chuck back. Huh? Let's go see Tana. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Nueva Ecija. Nice to meet you guys. I'm a new Dream Boy.
Hey ladies, I'm Edward Barber. I'm 16 years old and I'm from Germany. Yan, magtiting nga, hindi ako mapipigilan. Titing na yan, titing na yan. Ako po si Young Martin, 17 years old, sa Buanga City.
May comment si Darla.
Thank you kay Jerome. Si Jerome talaga kasama dun sa mga pinagpapakilalanan. Si Bess. Robby, kanino ka pinakakinig? Ha? Ikaw pala, B.
Pero hindi mo tinanong.
Oo, nasanay kasi ako si Robby. Nakinigilig? Hindi, nasanay ako sa ikaw tinatanong ko. Kanino ka pinakakinig dun sa
Ang
mga...
pinakamalakas na audience impact yung kay Edward.
Edward.
Shy ko yung type. Hindi ko na maintindihan itong si Yong.
Si yung hindi ko na-gets.
Hindi ko na naintindihan talaga. Pero, ang lakas ng, trust me when I say this,
Yes.
ang lakas ng dating ni Yong.
Yes.
Sila napapunta ng mga girls dito dati.
At
Punong-puno.
saka natitigan na ni Yong si Robbie sa mata. Tumiklop si Robbie.